So today's trading rule is when you see a pattern that you recognize, and this could be either, it's just a support and resistance pattern, it could be a cup and handle, it could be a head and shoulders pattern, it could be a bullish engulfing pattern, it could be any pattern, but it's something that you recognize. So I want you to form this mental formula to keep you more ready and prepared for this particular trade. Now you know it's ready. The first thing I want you to do is take a deep breath and strategize what you are going to do now that this pattern is recognized. Do you have a checklist on how you normally would go about on this particular pattern? So for example, you would have a set of rules like, okay, I need to buy it at this exact point. I need to buy X amount of quantity. I need to put a stop loss just below that. So a risk and reward is something that you would calculate while you actually strategize your pattern and be ready to attack, but you're just like a cat or like a tiger just sitting down there waiting for the perfect time to entry. So that's where you will hone in on the entry point and ready to pull the trigger on your entry. But at the same time, this is only something you would do after you really strategize and you know your entry and exit points. So that's something that's important. I feel like a lot of traders miss out on this opportunity of just kind of spending some time in strategizing it rather than just reacting as soon as the patterns reach. So doesn't have to be a day or two, just a few minutes or maybe an hour, until you formulate a plan and then attack. So I hope this is useful. Do apply to your trading and let me know how this works out for you.